Remember when we thought Trump leaving office would mean less drama? We were so naive. Now he's back in the White House, and the lawsuits are flying faster than subpoenas at a congressional hearing. This time, it's a gubernatorial smackdown, with governors from both sides of the aisle taking on Trump's policies. Buckle up, folks, because things are about to get litigious. First up, we've got a group of governors, led by Illinois' J.B. Pritzker, challenging Trump's executive order on birthright citizenship. They say it's unconstitutional. Trump naturally says they're wrong. It's a classic constitutional clash, with huge implications for immigration policy and the very definition of American citizenship. But wait, there's more! On the opposite coast, New Jersey Governor Phil Murphy is taking aim at Trump over New York City's congestion pricing plan, a scheme that charges drivers to enter Manhattan. Trump hates it. Murphy hates it. New York Governor Kathy Hochul, on the other hand, loves it. It's a tangled web of political posturing and fiscal responsibility, with billions of dollars and the future of urban mobility hanging in the balance. Let's start with the big one: birthright citizenship. It's been a bedrock principle of American law since the 14th Amendment was ratified in 1868. Basically, it means that if you're born in the United States, you're a citizen, regardless of your parents' immigration status. Trump, however, has long argued that this interpretation is wrong, and that he can end birthright citizenship with a stroke of his pen. Enter the governors, who argue that Trump's executive order is not only bad policy, but also a blatant violation of the Constitution. Leading the charge is Illinois Governor J.B. Pritzker, who calls Trump's order a cruel attempt to erase the fundamental rights of children. He's joined by a coalition of other governors, mostly Democrats, who see this lawsuit as a crucial battle to protect the rights of immigrants and uphold the Constitution. They argue that Trump's order would create a class of second-class citizens and undermine the very fabric of American society. Now let's head over to the mean streets of Manhattan, where another legal battle is brewing over congestion pricing. This plan, which went into effect in January 2025, charges drivers a fee to enter the busiest parts of Manhattan during peak hours. The idea is to reduce traffic, improve air quality, and raise money for public transportation. Sounds great, right? Well, not everyone's convinced. New Jersey Governor Phil Murphy, for one, is leading the charge against congestion pricing. He argues that it's unfair to New Jersey commuters who drive into the city for work and that it will hurt the regional economy. He's even gone so far as to file a lawsuit against the federal government, claiming that the plan violates federal law. Meanwhile, New York Governor Kathy Hochul is defending congestion pricing, arguing that it's necessary to address the city's traffic woes and that it's already showing signs of success. So what's next in these legal battles? It's hard to say for sure, but one thing's clear: the stakes are high. The birthright citizenship case could have far-reaching implications for immigration policy and the future of American democracy. If the Supreme Court were to uphold Trump's executive order, it would mark a significant departure from long-standing legal precedent and could pave the way for even more restrictive immigration policies in the future. The congestion pricing lawsuit, while perhaps less consequential on a national level, is still a big deal for the New York metropolitan area. If Governor Murphy were to succeed in his lawsuit, it would be a major setback for efforts to reduce traffic and improve air quality in the city. It would also leave a massive hole in the budget for the MTA, which is relying on congestion pricing revenue to fund critical infrastructure upgrades. One thing is certain: these legal showdowns are a sign of the times. With Trump back in the White House and governors increasingly willing to challenge his policies in court, we can expect more legal fireworks in the months and years to come. Stay tuned, folks, because this is one reality show that's just getting started.